Ever felt like your bank account is slowly bleeding cash, and you have absolutely no idea where it's all going? Like, you check your balance and it's lower than you expected, and you're left scratching your head, wondering, did I accidentally buy a small island or something? Yeah, me too. And trust me, you're not alone. In this digital age, we're bombarded with subscriptions, streaming services, fitness apps, premium software, even monthly boxes of, well, who knows what. It's so easy to click subscribe and then completely forget about it. Think about it. You signed up for that free trial of that meditation app, promising yourself you'd finally achieve inner peace. Or that language learning platform you were going to use to become fluent in Spanish last year. Or the streaming service that had that one show everyone was talking about, but now you can't even remember what it was called. The problem is, these small, seemingly insignificant subscriptions add up fast. They become the silent thieves of your hard-earned money, quietly draining your account each month. And let's be real, who has the time to meticulously go through every single bank statement, hunting down these sneaky charges? It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, except the needle is disguised as a recurring payment to random online service. That's where Rocket Money comes in. Think of it as your financial superhero, swooping in to rescue you from the clutches of unwanted subscriptions. Now, you might be thinking, another financial app? Do I really need that? Well, if you're tired of throwing money away on subscriptions you don't use, the answer is a resounding yes. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is designed to simplify your financial life by helping you track your spending, manage your bills, and most importantly, identify and cancel those pesky subscriptions. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Rocket Money, specifically focusing on how to use it to find and cancel those hidden subscriptions. So, grab your phone or laptop, and let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to download the Rocket Money app or create an account on their website. It's a straightforward process, and they'll walk you through the steps. Once you're in, the magic begins. The core functionality of Rocket Money revolves around connecting your bank accounts and credit cards. This allows the app to automatically analyze your transactions and identify recurring subscriptions. Don't worry, they use bank-level encryption to ensure your data is safe and secure. It's like giving them a peek into your financial world, but with your full permission and control. After you've linked your accounts, Rocket Money will start scanning your transactions. This might take a few minutes, depending on the volume of your data. Once it's done, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that provides a clear overview of your financial situation. Now, let's get to the good stuff, finding those hidden subscriptions. Navigate to the Subscriptions tab, and you'll see a list of all your recurring payments. Rocket Money does a fantastic job of categorizing these subscriptions, making it easy to identify them at a glance. You'll see the name of the subscription, the amount you're paying, and the frequency of the payment. This is where you might start to experience a bit of shock. Wait, I'm paying how much for that? It's a common reaction. Take a moment to review the list carefully. Are there any subscriptions you don't recognize? Any that you've completely forgotten about? Any that you're no longer using? This is your chance to reclaim your money. Once you've identified the subscriptions you want to cancel, Rocket Money makes the process incredibly easy. Simply tap on the subscription you want to cancel, and you'll see the details of that specific subscription. Here's where Rocket Money truly shines. They offer two options for canceling subscriptions. You can either cancel it yourself or have Rocket Money cancel it for you. If you choose to cancel it yourself, Rocket Money will provide you with the necessary information, such as the contact details of the subscription service and any specific cancellation instructions. This is helpful if you prefer to handle the cancellation process directly. However, if you want to save time and hassle, you can opt for Rocket Money to cancel it for you. They'll handle the entire cancellation process on your behalf, contacting the subscription service and ensuring that your subscription is terminated. This is a game changer, especially for those subscriptions that are notoriously difficult to cancel. You know, the ones where you have to navigate through endless menus and hold times, only to be met with resistance from customer service. Rocket Money takes the stress out of the process, allowing you to cancel subscriptions with just a few taps. It's important to note that Rocket Money charges a fee for their cancellation service. This fee is typically a percentage of the savings you'll realize from canceling the subscription. While some people might be hesitant to pay a fee, it's often worth it, especially if you're dealing with a difficult cancellation or if you're saving a significant amount of money. Even if you choose to cancel subscriptions yourself, Rocket Money still provides immense value by identifying those hidden charges and giving you a clear overview of your recurring expenses. Beyond finding and canceling subscriptions, Rocket Money offers a range of other features to help you manage your finances. You can track your spending, set budgets, and even negotiate lower bills. For example, their bill negotiation feature allows you to potentially lower your monthly bills for services like internet, cable, and phone. Rocket Money will analyze your bills and negotiate with the service providers on your behalf, aiming to secure a better rate. This is another way Rocket Money can help you save money, beyond just canceling subscriptions. It's about optimizing your expenses and ensuring that you're not overpaying for services. Furthermore, Rocket Money provides insights into your spending habits, helping you understand where your money is going. This can be incredibly valuable for identifying areas where you can cut back and save more. The app also offers features like net worth tracking and credit score monitoring, giving you a comprehensive view of your financial health. So, if you're tired of those hidden subscription charges and want to regain control of your finances, give Rocket Money a try. It's a small investment that can yield significant returns in terms of savings and peace of mind. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. By identifying and canceling those unwanted subscriptions, you're essentially giving yourself a raise. Take a moment to consider what you could do with the extra money you'll save. Maybe you'll use it to pay down debt, invest in your future, or simply treat yourself to something you've been wanting. The possibilities are endless. And all it takes is a few minutes to download Rocket Money and start taking control of your financial destiny. Don't be afraid to dig into your subscriptions. You might be surprised by what you find. And don't be afraid to use the tools available to you. Rocket Money makes it easy to take charge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.